Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Forces are acting on a moving object, and we need to find the third force to keep it at constant velocity. Let's solve this fast. To keep the object moving at a constant speed to the west, the net force must be 0. This means all applied forces must perfectly cancel each other out in every direction. The two given forces point north and west with equal magnitude. Their combined vector points northwest, so we need a third force to pull in the exact opposite direction to balance them. Therefore, the third force must point directly southeast to cancel the northwest resultant. This makes option D our final winner for this physics challenge. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.